Students, today I am going to teach you this flower vase and flower with the watercolor. So, let's begin today's lesson. Students, to make flower pot, first we will draw one horizontal line below the eye level and then one vertical line at the middle of the page. Okay? And because it is very light, so I am making it dark, but for watercoloring we have to draw very light. Okay, you have to draw light. Shape also we can change. Okay, if we have drawn once and we like to another design, so we can change. Okay, and now we will draw flower. Okay, and I am drawing hibiscus flower. So how will we draw? Okay, it is in circle shape. So first we will draw one circle and there all the petals we have to draw within that circle, and after drawing we will erase that circle, and now it has come in real look. So we have drawn, and some leaves also we will draw, and we will erase extra lines, and the leaf is at the front, so we will draw extra lines, okay, behind part. For watercoloring, first we will apply water everywhere, and then with the brush we will take blue color, and we will start from the one side, okay, because one side is dark. So first we will do on one side, and then we will pull this color at another side, okay, and light area also we will leave. See, some patches we will give, and this is the neck, so there we will leave some place for the leaves, and this is inside, so inside also we will make some dark, and inside dark is because there the light is not going, because flower is in that pot. Okay, so at the pot you can see there is some light, dark. Okay, it is automatically done, because when we colored at one side there is very less color in the brush, so that only I have applied. Then come on the leaves, there also first do yellow color, okay, and some white area also we will leave. Then we will do light green color, okay, somewhere we will do and somewhere we will leave, okay, like this, anywhere randomly, anywhere we will do. Then we will take dark green color, and that also somewhere we will do and somewhere we will leave, okay, like this. We have to show light yellow and light green, both the colors. So like this, with the dark color we will do somewhere, and in stem also we will do. Now come on flower, and there also first we will apply water. And students, you can do petals one by one, okay, don't need to apply everywhere because it is difficult to handle colors. Okay, so you first finish one petal, then go for others. So like this you have to spray it. If there is water, it is sprayed automatically. See, it is spreading naturally, no need to spray it. And white area also we will leave, okay, everywhere we will not spray it, it will spread automatically. So somewhere we will take help of, if it is not spreading, we will take help of water, okay, we will take water and we will put where is extra color. So like this we will have to spread, and then middle part is dark, so there we will use dark red color, and some black also or brown also we can mix to make the color dark. So like this we will do. And now we will make outline, and outline will be very thin. Okay. And now some dots. And this is the last bottom of the pot, okay, with the black color. So
Students, now this simple pot and flower painting has completed. Thank you so much.